The flashlight feature on your iPhone has had quite a weird but quite cool upgrade in iOS 18 with this new interface that lets you change not only the brightness, but also the direction and the width of your beam of light. It's weird, but it's very clever. I'm going to go into Control Center and just tap to enable my torch just like normal. And of course this works on the lock screen too. As I've done that, you're going to see quite a big graphic of a torch at the top of my screen, but after a moment that will disappear back into the dynamic island, and you'll just see the torch icon on the left-hand side there. That means the torch is on. If I then long press that dynamic island, I get that same large torch image up again. And from here you can control the brightness of your torch simply by swiping your finger up to make it brighter and down to make it dimmer. But that's not all you can do, because if you want to swipe your finger left or right, you can actually make the beam wider or thinner. And doing this does genuinely work. It's quite impressive actually. So I can make the beam as wide as I want and illuminate as much of my room as possible, or I can swipe to the left and make it as thin and narrow as possible. And of course, if you want to turn the torch off, just tap once on the body of the torch, that animation will gradually disappear, and that's it, your torch is off. Now, there are loads more things in iOS 18 that are more useful on a daily basis, things that I'm using all the time now on my iPhone, and I'd love to share them with you as well. So please do check out my channel down below for more videos. Or if you'd like a complete guide to everything that's new, written in friendly and easy to understand language, please do check out my new ebook down below. It's called 100 Quick Tips for iOS 18, and just like the name suggests, it will show you 100 things that your phone can do now you've updated that you couldn't do before. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next time.